I play with my grays here, and a lot of people get scared. I actually increase it, and I'll show you why. So now I've grouped each element separately, or each group of elements that I want to be a color group. I'm going to go ahead and select these florals. Oops. Go ahead and grab these florals. I'm going to come up here to this little color wheel. Now this is the important part. I'm going to go here where it says colors, and I'm going to choose one. I'm going to make sure that this is deselected, and I'm going to hit one again. And then I had populated some colors in, and oh, you just missed the fun part. So what I'm going to do here is, now that I have one color selected, you can see how there's this beautiful natural watercolor looking gradient that happens. So I will do this process with each element. So example, all of the blooms I will do a certain color, the stems and leaves I'll do a certain color, the centers I'll do a certain color. After I'm done recoloring, then I'll start putting my elements together. It is a lot of work, but this is how I can use my watercolors and gouache in a vectorized format. It's not perfect, but I hope it helps.